Hello everyone, it's Terry and it is Wednesday all day, and this is somewhat of a orchid diary again, and I am such a fool thinking Mother Nature was going to really work in my favor. Of course, I am leaving for Memorial Day. I think it's Memorial Day. Yeah, going to the Finger Lakes, driving. So I might actually stop and see Wade if I can do it on the way back. But yes, I had to come here and water and then, excuse me, bring in the more tender or more temperature intolerant, or in other words, the warm growers that are a little bit more sensitive. So I have left everything out except for a few groups, and this is just for here. The other place I have my Phalaenopsis, and you will see I have to rush and get those in. But Mother Nature told me, surprisingly, that it's gonna get down into the 40s for 3 days while I'm gone, which is not good at all. It's now the encyclias and some cattleyas, not dendrobiums. Really, I took all my laturias in. As you look over there, I took in my angracoids, but my trichocentrums, my encyclias, my Brassavolas will probably be able to make it for a few days. And I took in my big Bobo. And here is my Beiichi and my Alabaster. And these are the other things that I bought in. My Laturia, which is spider lily. There's another Bobo there. There's a Bobo mandibulare, Florulentulum. Finally got it right. And then here is my Areopsis biloba. And I don't know where the tag is, but I gotta find that. And then I have my Spiceriana, half Spiceriana, that is the coloring. And then here is that hybrid white emblem and Gracie. And I also brought in my Aranthes. And there's Phalaenopsis. Here's my Cipitella, giving me new growth. And you can see those roots over there. Beautiful. And my Alabaster. Showed off. Keep these at the roots. I just love this plant so much. So yeah, I will be gone until next week. You can see there was nothing else in here except for mine. Chocolate drop. Oh, and here's my McDellin eye. Although that could get cooler. I just don't trust it. And there's a path. The only one. So yeah, my greenhouse will be turned off. I will have the humidifiers going. I shouldn't say it's turned off. And I think everything else out here will be okay. So, that's about it for today. Wish I had a balloon to show you, but I do. enjoy your orchid, and thanks for watching. Bye. Look at these, sunburnt to a crisp phals. I am hoping that they bounce back, because these are some of the most fragrant orchids. This one didn't get burned. Guadalupe Pineda. Come on. So I bought all my Phalaenopsis in, and here they are. And I'm gonna have to get a cart and park them on that cart or a bench inside. Maybe set up a humidifier, but I probably won't need that because it is summer. But I'll be gone about 6 or 7 days, so I did bring them in. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your orchids. Bye. This one will stay out also. Just don't mind a bit of cold. And look at this, which I've shown many times if I could get it to focus. But there's 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. Let's see if this will show it better. I am not sure if it is showing it any better or not, but there's Spike. That's my Trichocentrum tigrinum. This is 2 more. But anyway, folks. Thanks for watching. And enjoy your orchids. Bye.